Ever felt the itch to buy a stock just because TikTok swears it's going to the moon? That's your brain betraying your wallet. Today, we're roasting 7 mental biases that can turn your portfolio into burnt toast and handing you the cheat codes to stop it. Welcome to Stick Finance 101, the stick figure crash course where finance basics meet doodle memes. Smash that subscribe so your money mindset levels up faster than a Starbucks price hike. So, let's get rolling. Bias 1, FOMO. You scroll your feed, see rocket emoji tweets, and hop onto a roller coaster chart that immediately nosedives. Wall Street's favorite 4-letter word after sale is FOMO. You chase hype, buy high, and bag hold low, basically showing up to the Super Bowl in the third quarter. How to beat it? Set a limit buy price before scrolling socials. Future, you will high-five past you. Bias 2, loss aversion. Picture yourself clinging to a sinking boat labeled Trash Co minus 40%. Humans hate losing money twice as much as we love making it, so we ride losers to the ocean floor. Newsflash, stocks don't grow gills. Escape plan, decide exit rules on day 1. Say, bail at minus 15%. Tattoo it on your notes, not your bicep. Bias 3, anchoring. You bought at $100, it's now 60, and your brain still worships that first price like gospel. Markets don't care about your entry, only where they're headed. Reality check. Reevaluate the company's fundamentals, not your feelings. If the story changed, cut the rope. Bias 4. Confirmation bias. You blast "stonks only go up" into your echo chamber headphones and mute anything bearish. Congrats. You built a fan club, not a research process. Counter move. List 3 reasons not to buy before hitting the button. If you can't, you're watching an infomercial. Bias 5. Overconfidence. 2 lucky trades, and suddenly you're Warren Buffett's secret love child. Chill, even the oracle whiffs. Humility hack. Cap single trade risk at 2% of your account. Humility hedges hubris. Bias 6. Recency bias. Yesterday was green, so tomorrow has to be rocket fuel, right? Spoiler. Markets binge drop plot twists. Reset button. Zoom out to a 1-year chart before you click anything. Big picture beats yesterday's feels. Bias 7. Herd mentality. Everyone yells, buy the dip. But sometimes the dip is a demolition hole. Don't be the lemming with diamond hands and $0. Stay solo. Keep a written game plan so loud crowds can't rewrite it live. Lightning recap. FOMO. Loss aversion. Anchoring. Confirmation. Overconfidence. Recency. Herd mentality. Memorize them like Marvel phases so you spot them before they nuke your net worth. Challenge time. Track 1 bias you felt this week and drop it in the comments. Best battle story gets pinned. Smash subscribe, slap that bell harder than a closing bell trader, and I'll catch you next class. Until then, keep your stick figure cool and your money smarter.